Hi guys, welcome back to the Sonic Oasis. My name is Mfundo, and in this video we are taking a look at a piece of history, the FM8 by Native Instruments. So this plugin was first released in November 2006, which makes it one of the oldest plugins or products that you can buy on the Native Instruments page to date. I think the only one older would be Absinthe, but even that was removed in the recent years. So FM8 is 18 years old as we speak right now. And a lot has changed from 2006 to 2024. There's been great strides in digital signal processing, audio manipulation, physical modeling, and just digital synthesis in general. So I want to find out today, is it still worth it to buy the FM8 in 2024? And I'm not going to make that decision. You're going to make that decision for yourself, because I'm simply going to demo some of the sounds and see if it still holds up in this modern era. So usually what I do is I go through some of my favorite factory presets that you find that comes with the product. But in this case, with the product this old, I'm sure everyone has heard these presets at some point. So I thought, let me just get some third-party presets. So everything you're gonna hear in this video comes from Powerpack Volume 1, which is a preset pack made by Plugin Guru. I'm not being paid by them to say this, nor am I being sponsored by them, but I will leave a link below if you're interested in checking it out. So when I think of FM synthesis, the first thing that pops to mind is the DX7. And when I think DX7, I think of the E-pianos that it comes with. So whenever I'm playing around with the device that has FM synthesis, one of the first things I check out is the E-pianos. And for me, that's how I measure if a FM synthesis plugin is for me or not, is if the E-pianos are really good. And so that's exactly what we're going to check out first in this video. So that was FM8 with the power pack from Plugin Guru. Let me know if you're willing to pay $149 for this 18-year-old plugin in 2024. I must say it does go on special from time to time. I think last year there was this plugin bundle at Plugin Boutique for $10, if I recall correctly. So yeah, it's gotten as low as $10 in the past. So if you're willing to wait for events like Black Friday and the 4th of July, those sort of holidays, it might be worth it to buy it for 90% or 80% off. It might be worth it to wait that long if you're patient. But otherwise, on a regular day, it's going to be $149. But yeah, that's it from my side. Let me know, what are your thoughts? Is this still good enough for you, for whatever you do? I have no idea what kind of music you produce. So that's why I never tell people what to buy or not, because our needs are very different according to what genre or what type of music that you're interested in making. And it's always interesting to hear people's opinions sometimes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for making it this far in the video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you do subscribe, help us grow. And I'd like to send a huge shout out to our members and Patreon members. You guys really help support this channel. And also please check out the single that I dropped on the channel. It's called Our Dreams. I'll put a link up here. But otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.